My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your weekly technical analysis of LME 3-month lead and tin. I'll start with LME 3-month lead. Yet again, and I know I repeat it, but it is nice to see on this daily chart the market still keeping within the May to October 2020 bullish shift pitchfork. Key feature from last week, well, there have been manifold. To start with, the key reversal down and bearish dark cloud cover pattern on Monday last week, right at the top of the market, and halting and reversing back down as it did at the lesser 61.5% Fibonacci line of the big February 2018 to March 2020 move at 22.59. That was just ahead of the October 2019 high at 22.62. That was a long thing to say, and that was just on Monday last week. Then we had the subsequent drop down to the combination of the middle time, currently at 21.25, and the 50% Fibonacci line of the same big February 2018 to March 2020 move at 21.27, and then halting and reverting back up on Friday last week, and this week as well. So that we're back up where near the highs of last week. All this action adds another possible pattern to the recent library of patterns I've been accumulating here. Now you may recall I mentioned 3 weeks ago that, and I quote, "There are other patterns developing, I suspect, with the action since February, but they are too early just yet, maybe next time." End of quote. Well, it is still early, but I had 2 possible ideas on my mind at the time, and now a third. They are all bullish. The first was a cut with handle pattern. The second was a scallop pattern, a bullish scallop pattern, and the third that has formulated in my mind this week is a bullish halfway hesitation. Let's take a look at all of these, their merits and opportunities. The action over late February today looks promising as a bullish cut with handle pattern. The only issue is the excessive height over the last 2 weeks. It would have been preferable to have kept a height in the 21.85 area, but never mind. If the market should break higher through the previous high, and especially the upper time currently at 22.95, then we may have a target X for this in the 23.51 area. As for an ascending scallop pattern, well, that could still fit in with the recent action, if only just, but it is still undergoing formation and has some way still to go. So no target there. Finally, the bullish halfway hesitation move. This is still on, but depends on the same criteria of through the previous high and the upper time, and it would give a provisional target X1 in the 23.43 area, not too far from target X area. I have to stress it is still early yet, but there are a lot of obstacles in the way. But that is what I can see right now. LME 3-month tin. The move back up started some 11 weeks ago and continues unabated, though with the occasional bits of hesitation here and there. It has been an orderly move higher, initially in between the lower time, currently at 26.370, and the middle time, currently 28.750. The January to March bullish shift pitchfork. Then 3 weeks ago, the move translated to a higher level, in between the middle time below and the upper time above, currently 31.130. Right now the market is in fairly free territory overhead. This now ties in with a point I made 2 weeks ago and is an overtly bullish one, and as I said at the time, and I quote, "and a little bit out there." End of quote. If we look at the November 2020 to late February 2021 action as one leg of a possible type of bullish halfway hesitation, as I said, this is well out there. Anyway, if we were to be the case, then we could be looking topside at a potential target in the 31.250 area. Now, when I floated this idea 2 weeks ago, I said it was a little bit out there, but I drew it nevertheless a target X for it anyway. You can see it just peeking under the top of the chart in the upper right hand side? Well, today it seems to be coming positively mainstream. Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.